Well, hi guys, we're here at Healesville at the Big Four. We're going to share with you a couple of tips that we've come across over the time. We've got the Swedish fire log, which we'll show you later tonight. Another good thing I want to show you is this. It's the auto repair lens. What you might find is that during the night you get a lot of mosquitoes and flies and stuff like that flying around the caravan, and these lights are very, very bright. So if I switch the light on, you'll see exactly what I mean. So to reduce that, we're going to put a bit of this auto lens tape on, which is sort of like a clear tape, a coloured tape. So it's very simple to do. Is you just pull it, take it out. It comes on a roll. I've cut a few strips, but it comes on a roll like that. And then what we do is we just very simply peel it off and stick it to the lens up here, which fits perfectly underneath, which gives us a perfect yellow light. Finally we have one. So yeah, Healesville's a pretty good place. Don't feed bread to birds, that's just a warning. Fruit and seeds are really the only thing they should be eating. And we've got a whole heap of them actually on the floor there at the moment. But so anyway, that's our tip for today. The tape, the auto lens. I'll put up a photo on the, I'll put a photo up on our YouTube page. Lens tape, get it from probably Supercheap. They've probably usually got it, but it gives a good yellow light. We'll show you what that looks like later tonight. So there's our tip for tonight. Don't forget to have a look at our fire log that's coming up shortly. And we've got a lot of birds down there just eating away, but that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed that little tip. And here's the lights at night. So let's hope they keep those pesky bugs away. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.
Hello everyone, Robyn here. Just wanting to show you a few extra things in here, in addition to the lights that Peter's changed outside with the tape. He's also done the internal lights to give a better view, or a better, colour that stops the mosquitoes, little bugs, flies, anything that come in at night time. Because sometimes even those little bugs can come in through the wire, and we've had numerous little tiny black dots around the lighting and everything. So with these LED lights here, you buy them on a strip, and they come in different colours. Has a remote here that has the different colours. Yellow appears to be the better one for keeping the mozzies and insects away. So we've decided to do that, and Peter took probably up to 4 days to wire it through the van. Had to pull out the bed and the back and change things, get down the walls. He is a licensed electrician, so he can do that. Just take note of that. So yeah, so we quite like the lights, and you can have different lights as well. I'll just put a few other colours on. There's a nice blue, a green, purple, different blue, and even that. So back to the yellow. We can actually dim them as well, for just any reason. You can dim them right down just for a bit more of an ambient light, which would still keep the bugs away, right down. And if you do like to have the white, you can have that quite low or up a bit higher for more visual, I guess, to walk around. So all the colours look really great, especially at night time. They look really nice. So you can dim them right down. And further. See, that's pretty, isn't it? And up. So yeah, so the yellow is the best for keeping the bugs out.
Well, hi guys, I hope you've enjoyed that episode. It was fun to put together. The lens tape is terrific for outdoors, isn't it? It's really stopped a lot of the bugs.
Yep.
And when we were actually at Ngambie earlier on this year, we did a little bit of a test with a couple of the hilltop caravans that didn't have the lens tape on, and ours that did have the lens tape on. We had less bugs.
We definitely did.
We had a lot less bugs.
We just were outside. We're all outside walking around. We weren't doing anything different or spraying around the place or anything. And we just turned our lights on, and they turned their outside lights on, which are white, of course. And yeah, the difference was amazing. Yeah.
So we're quite happy with our yellow lights when we have those on when we're away. As Robyn pointed out, we can dim them down. And I must point out again, it was a difficult procedure to put these lights in. It did take me quite a while to do, but they're in now and they're working perfectly. As you can see, the one controller does about 3 lots of lights. The lights over the bed, the lights over the kitchen sink, and these lights above our seating.
Mind you, I don't know whether I mentioned Peter is a licensed electrician, so he's done it correctly.
I've been doing it for many years. So look, if you've got any comments, I'd certainly like to see them down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do a little bit of a like as well. That just sort of helps keep our numbers up. And if you're enjoying what we're doing, please comment. Any comments better than no comments.
Exactly. Yeah, definitely.
We'd like to know what you guys think, and if we can help in any way, please feel free to drop us a comment. So we're going to sign off on this video. Again, as I always say, stay safe out there, look after your other fellow caravanners, and just enjoy yourselves, because that's what we're here for. Exactly. Well, thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Cheers.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.